guys, I'm going downstairs to the kitchen to show the bonfires going outside. See? That's the end of the video, so bye.